Did you know that you could use a laser cutter with your alpha arc plasma table? All we've done is we've taken the torch off. There's a place where it's made to go right here on this bracket, so you can stow that away while you're using your laser head. The laser head just takes 2 screws to put the bracket on, and then it just clicks on. I have a little piece of balsa wood here, 1/8 thick. It's going to be a piece of cake to laser cut. I've just shimmed it up a little bit from this piece of steel I have. You could cut right over the water table, but you have to be prepared for pieces to drop. That's why I'm cutting above this piece of steel with a couple of shims here. I already have the program loaded in my control, so we're going to check out and see how it looks. I'm going to put my safety glasses on. Now, you could bring your water level up if you've got your ballast system, and that'll help arrest some of that smoke. If not, you're going to want to have a fan blowing across, maybe towards out the door. If you're really serious about it, perhaps you want to put a vacuum hood over it. This right now is cutting a little logo for the alpha arc. You can see perhaps from your angle that you've already got the pieces dropping out. We're cutting at about 35 inches a minute with this 44-watt laser head, and it does really nicely. When you're ready to come back to plasma cutting, it's as simple as just cleaning up the mess that you've left here, little pieces of scrap wood, getting them off the table. All you have to do is click your torch back on after taking 2 screws out for the laser mount, and you'd be ready to plasma cut again. So it's really versatile in that you can do metal work, and you can also do some woodworking, cut plastics like colored acrylics, ABS, polycarbonate. Now we're doing our contour. And we're going to end up with a wood version, a little bit smaller of a sign, very similar to this. And it's rounding the last turn now. Great. So just move this out of the way. There we go. That looks really good, guys. Let's check that out. To the edge, alpha arc plasma with a laser head.